dehors, ce soleil, ce soleil, ce soleil, ce soleil.
Double invasion detection, laying my bricks in this section, sneaking them roads, beat section, get the freezing your ass off. Yeah, you heard that that's the blast off, top of massive. Yeah, we kicking some dust for inspection. This sound is a must, plus fixing your butt to the burning. Apple hurt and scrapple, turn babble, babble on rabble, babble it on to the rebound. Thunderstorm, yeah, how I heard it, you heard in them clumps. Just a slate, leave a mark on, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ultra rock, flip, dog, dog, yeah, yeah. I see them that tweaking on your back on that deck. What's so fiddle? It's your my fiddle, it's your my fiddle, it's your fiddle, it's your fiddle. Bitch, motherfucker, now open up your little pop up massive smirking. The people of the herb get lurking, creatures jerking, yeah, yeah, hear them creatures jerking, walking themselves.
I just stick to the one and run. No matter what the bucket's spitting tongue, we find the golden apples of the sun. As long as I see the sun, I just stick to the one and run. No matter what the bucket's spitting tongue, we find the golden apples of the sun.
Calvesto, Catacambodia, Multiplicia, Valpolicia. Make a move with the tunes, get it loose on the booze. Spend a red noon, kindergartner make boo. Get it on, get them figures on the run. On the horse I come, riding through the valley of souls, fighting blows, let the pistons burn holes in the toes of false toes, and close the cold.
As long as I see the sun, I just stick to the one and run. No matter what the bucket's spitting tongue, we find the golden apples of the sun. As long as I see the sun, I just stick to the one and run. No matter what the bucket's spitting tongue, we find the golden apples of the sun.
Look at themselves, ain't got a matron. Why? Ain't I got a matron? And Joe trying to be cool in my hand. Why? Look at themselves, ain't got a matron. Why? Ain't I got a matron? And Joe trying to be cool in my hand. Why?